Drones are cheap, disruptive, and everywhere. Here's why the problem is getting worse and why airports are dangerously exposed. This is what 140,000 stranded passengers look like. And only a small drone of around a few $100s can cause this. Airports have been shut or partially shut in the past due to drones. Gatwick in 2018 is a classic example. 1,000 flights disrupted, 140,000 passengers affected, and more recently in 2025, major Nordic and German airports were shut due to drone sightings. Cheap drones can carry things. Not a lot, maybe a few 100 grams to a couple of kilograms, but that's enough for a small kinetic payload, explosive charge, chemical dispersal, or maybe even contraband. This has serious implications for an airport due to the damage it can cause. But it's not just terror or militant groups. Pranksters, teenagers, political activists, all of them can use drones against airports. Maybe it is to spend a mischievous afternoon, maybe it is to protest climate change. The point being that it is too dangerous for an airplane to take off with a drone nearby. Now, there is a very big anti-drone market. There has been one for years, but there are still three big issues with drones or anti-drone defense for airports. Cost exchange, interception time, and legal and safety limits for airports. Remember those cheap drones from earlier? Well, a proper interceptor system can run up to 20 to 30k per unit. As you can imagine, if adversaries have multiple drones, this would lead to some steep losses over time. Next up, we have interception time. This is pretty straightforward. The longer it takes you to detect and intercept an adversarial drone, the more time they have to cause damage. And last up, legal and safety. You can't exactly shoot a drone over a passenger terminal, and radio frequency-based solutions would likely cause issues too. So, there are three core characteristics of effective airport anti-drone defense: cost exchange, speed, and airport safe integration. This is a huge and growing problem with real operational and commercial exposure. If you'd like to see how we at Bastionne address this, please feel free to check out our website or follow us on one of our social media channels.